Let me welcome you here in my YouTube channel, my Tech Toolbox. Good day. I'm glad that you find it here and I hope that you're just fine as well. Today I am going to share and discuss with you in this video about the purpose of maintenance, for you to be able to understand and align your knowledge and understanding on why have companies implemented maintenance on their equipment and buildings. It is significant for you, who is involved in maintenance, to fully understand the profound reason of its implementation. On performing your maintenance tasks, you also need internal motivation to do it happily. Not only that it is part of your job description, but also to strengthen your self-motivation on the importance of what you are doing with respect to your contribution to the company and the enhancement of your skills and competencies. Your career advancement depends on how well you are doing at work. Let me continue. Foremost, when maintenance is mentioned in this presentation, it actually refers to a maintenance services which are rendered by maintenance personnel using materials, tools, equipment and methods. Let me continue by presenting the operational structure of your company and all other companies, be it a private profit entity, government agency or corporation and non-profit organization. A company basically is composed of people, machines and workspaces. Let us discuss comprehensively the essence and purpose of maintenance. People are officers, employees, customers or clients, contractors, suppliers, and service providers. Machines are gadgets, instruments, appliances, equipment and systems being used or providing services for operation, production, support and administrative works and activities that produce the company's products and services for its clients or customers. Workspaces are the office buildings, operation and production facilities, support buildings and facilities such as warehouses, powerhouses, parking areas, company grounds, perimeter fences and other amenities. These people, machines, and workspaces should and must be able to perform their respective functions to produce their respective output that will be converted into the company's product and services. Maintenance is needed for these three areas to perform and produce. Regardless of source, whether coming from in-house or from external providers, maintenance is compulsory. These people, machines, and workspaces are the main object or focus of maintenance. The very reason of the existence of an entity, a body, a group, or a department that will deliver or render maintenance services. The purpose of maintenance is to ensure that these three areas, to perform and deliver as expected, are provided with adequate, effective, efficient and sustainable services. Having identified the focal areas of maintenance, the next concern is how to determine the extent and magnitude of the requirements of the three main areas of the company to which the maintenance services shall be applied. To determine the maintenance services to be provided on the three main areas of business, two major steps have to be followed. Step 1. Identify the specific sections of each main area where maintenance will be applied. Step 2. Assess to quantify the extent and magnitude of maintenance requirements. Regardless of whether it is new or existing business, the two-step process shall be performed on the three main areas. First is the people area, consisting of A. Company personnel, B. Customers, C. Clients, D. Suppliers, E. Contractors, F. Service providers, G. Other people who get inside the company premises to transact their business and seek the product and services of the company. Maintenance shall be responsible to provide these people with the necessary space for their activities. Maintenance requirement for people can be determined by 1. The numbers and classification of personnel and people who are or will be working and doing business in particular area, building or facility. 2. The types of work, processes and operations these personnel and people will be doing or performing. 3. The working time and sequence the personnel and people will utilize or stay in the work area. The second area is the workspaces where people do their works and business activities. It includes, but not limited to, the following: A. Adequate work area and necessary furniture. B. Company environment conducive to working, such as room temperature, exposure to chemicals, noise and toxic fumes, etc. C. Company premises includes roads and access to and from company offices and buildings and facilities. D. Safety to physical injuries and property damage when inside company premises. Assessing the requirements for workspaces, the following are: 1. The proximity or distance of the offices and facilities to each other. 2. The types of activities being conducted or performed in those areas. 3. Those activities may require appropriate work environment depending on the nature of the work being performed. 4. The environmental conditions of the immediate surroundings, such as pollution, temperature, water supply and sanitation, and even social activities. Third area is the machines being used for administrative, operational, production, and support services such as 1. Office appliances. 2. Transport equipment. 3. Information and communication system. 4. Heating, ventilating and air conditioning HVAC. 5. Carriers and lifters. 6. Office appliances. 7. All other equipment for administrative, operational and production use. Maintenance requirement parameters for machines are the following. A. The types and sizes of equipment to be installed or deployed can be determined with reference to the working space and people requirements. B. The timing of the installation and deployment of the machines shall coincide with the development plan or construction and availability of the workspaces. C. Sources of the machines, be it locally available or from external sources. Having determined the maintenance requirement of the company, officers and personnel of maintenance shall design and schedule a maintenance organization with proposed maintenance strategy and desired resources such as personnel, materials and supplies, tools and maintenance equipment. It shall be understood by the whole organization of the company the essence of the maintenance organization. A company maintenance policy would be the best instrument to this effect. Such will foster understanding, effective communication and collaboration between the maintenance department and all client departments who are recipients of maintenance services for the success of the whole company. Having learned the company structure and the main focus maintenance, officers and personnel in the maintenance department shall understand the purpose of its existence. They shall be committed to their duties and responsibilities to fulfill their purpose and achieve what is expected from them. The ultimate purpose of maintenance is to ensure that equipment, machines, and facilities operate optimally, extend their economic life, prevent disruptions, minimize costs associated with breakdowns, and maximize productivity. Finally, the key aspects of the purpose of maintenance are herein defined. 1. Ensuring asset reliability and availability. Maintenance plays a crucial role in ensuring that equipment and systems are reliable and available when needed. This involves implementing proactive strategies like preventive maintenance and condition-based maintenance to minimize the risk of failures and downtime. Reliable assets contribute significantly to overall productivity and return on investment (ROI). 2. Minimizing downtime and production losses. A key objective of maintenance is to reduce downtime and production losses due to equipment failures. This is achieved through proactive maintenance strategies, efficient repair processes, and optimized scheduling. Minimizing downtime helps maintain production throughput, meet operational goals, and reduce associated costs. Maintaining equipment in optimal condition also helps to extend its economic life and reduce the need for premature replacement. 3. Cost management and optimization. Maintenance departments strive to manage costs effectively, ensuring that maintenance activities are cost-effective and aligned with budget constraints. This involves implementing strategies for cost tracking, optimizing resource allocation, and utilizing cost-effective repair and replacement methods. Maintaining equipment in optimal condition also helps to extend its economic life and reduce the need for premature replacement. 4. Ensuring safety and compliance. Maintenance plays a vital role in ensuring safety of people and properties and compliance with relevant government and company regulations. This involves implementing safety procedures, conducting regular inspections to identify potential hazards, and ensuring that equipment and systems meet safety standards. Maintenance also helps to comply with environmental regulations and ensure responsible waste disposal practices. 5. Improving quality and product performance. Well-maintained equipment and systems contribute to improved product quality and performance. This is achieved by ensuring that equipment operates efficiently, reduces the risk of defects, and minimizes errors. 6. Supporting operational goals and production efficiency. The main purpose of the existence of maintenance is keeping operations and production machineries running to produce the revenue-generating products and services of the company. Maintenance departments work in close collaboration with other departments, particularly operations, to support production goals and improve operational efficiency. This involves providing timely and reliable support for equipment and systems, ensuring that production processes run smoothly, and minimizing disruptions. By optimizing maintenance practices, maintenance departments contribute to overall productivity and operational success. While the ultimate purpose and key aspects of maintenance we have thoroughly discussed, it is but vital for you to be on top of the key issues and negativities that you may encounter in your own organization. Knowing these issues in advance, you will be in the best position to address or respond to them. To wrap this learning module, we have discussed the roots and the reasons that warranted the existence and purpose of maintenance in a company. This information is very important for you people, particularly in the maintenance department. This will provide and create internal motivation and commitment to your job, to the purpose of your department, and the success of your company. I hope that you have learned something useful from this video. Thank you very much for your time. Best regards and good luck. Before leaving, may I thank you for the time you invested here. Should you still have questions and clarifications to ask, write it in the comment below or email me at mytechtoolbox@gmail.com. If you have learned something that are useful, please give us a like. That's one way to support our channel. You may also want to share this video for your friends to learn. Subscribe now so you will be notified on every new learning videos we post on YouTube. Thank you and good luck.